Rishaun's helping hands, making a difference at home. Rishaun noticed Mom and Dad were always busy around the house. How can I help, he wondered. His first mission was to tidy up his toys. After playing, Rishaun put each toy back where it belonged. Next, Rishaun saw Mom doing laundry. He asked, "Can I help sort the clothes?" Mom smiled and nodded. Dark clothes here, light ones there, Rishaun learned quickly and enjoyed helping Mom. At dinner time, Rishaun asked Dad, "May I set the table?" Dad taught him where everything goes. While eating, Rishaun noticed some crumbs on the floor. "I can sweep those up," he exclaimed after dinner. Rishaun also found small ways to help, like watering the plants and feeding the pet. Each night, Rishaun and his parents shared their favorite part of the day. Rishaun always loved hearing how his help made their day easier. Rishaun learned that even small tasks like making his bed showed care and respect for his family. His parents appreciated all the Rishaun's efforts. "Every little bit helps," they said. Rishaun felt proud to be such a big help at home.
Hi, it's Rishaun. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you never miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.